This is why retiring early isn't the point anymore. Everyone talks about FIRE, financial independence, retire early. But what if the real win isn't retiring early at all? What if the goal is reaching a point where you could stop saving and still end up financially free later? That's the idea behind Coast Fire. I don't know why I went like this. Coast Fire. You're not quitting your job. You're just letting time and compound interest do the heavy lifting from here on out. Let's talk a little bit about the definition. Coast Fire means you've already invested enough money early that even if you stop contributing completely, your portfolio will still grow to your retirement goal by the time you reach traditional retirement age. You're not fully financially independent yet, but your future self is. From here, you only need to earn enough to cover your current lifestyle, not to save or hustle for the future. Let's do some core math, how it's calculated. The formula is simple. 1, start with your target retirement number, say 1.5 million. 2, estimate how long until you want to retire, maybe 25 years. 3, assume an average annual growth of maybe 7%. Now, reverse it. How much would you need today for that amount to grow on its own to 1.5 million in 25 years? That number, about 280,000, is your Coast Fire number. If you've invested that much already, congratulations, you can coast the rest of the way without adding another dime. Here's an example. Let's say Mia is 35 and has $200,000 invested. She wants $1 million by age 60. If her investments grow at 7%, she only needs to invest $120,000 more over the next few years to hit Coast Fire. After that, she can stop saving completely. Or take Jordan, who already has $300,000 at age 40. With 25 years to grow, that's 1.6 million by 65 without another contribution. Jordan doesn't have to chase promotions or side hustles anymore, just maintain income for living expenses. That's the magic of compounding. I want you to start a mindset shift. The work because you want to phase. Let's talk about that. Coast Fire isn't about quitting. It's about freedom from pressure. Once your future is mathematically handled, every job, project, or client becomes optional. You can downshift to part-time, freelance, you can travel, or focus on something meaningful because you're no longer trading time for future security. I want to talk about some caveats. Coasting still requires discipline. Inflation, lifestyle creep, or market dips can move your target. You may need to check in every few years to rebalance. And remember, Coast Fire isn't set it and forget it. Not at all. It's set it and stay aware. So here's the wrap up. How to know if you're coasting yet. If your current investments can grow to your target number by retirement age without another contribution, you've hit Coast Fire. You're officially coasting. Your future is funded and your present is flexible. So maybe the point isn't early retirement at all. Maybe it's designing a life where you've already done enough and now you get to enjoy the ride.